Day 24. It's raining. So we're having just a wonderful day driving to work with this weather. It's that, as I mentioned before, that kind of rain where it's not enough to really need you to use wipers, but you can't see if you don't. And if your window's slightly dirty like mine is, then it's just going to make all kinds of noise. So, I guess I need to clean the window. Maybe that'll be this weekend project. But yeah, it's raining. It's my drive to work in the rain on a Friday. But it's Friday.
Time. I say you're full of shit, so shut your mouth. You better listen up before you fade out. I can be your savior, but you don't want me. Ooh, do you think you are? You'll never be better than me. What are you fighting for? You'll never make it right. Do you think you are? You'll never beat me. What are you fighting for? There's still no end in sight. It's getting harder to breathe, so suck it in deeply. I can be your savior, but you don't want me.
I just got home and it is dumping buckets. Like horrible buckets. In fact, the way home I had to call this high patrol because there was a truck plowed into a telephone pole off the side of the road. His horn was blowing, lights were on, hood was up. I couldn't even see if there was anybody in the truck or not. I maybe see in this piece that's just coming in the house. I mean, it is dumping. So yeah, so I'm not liking the rain very much at all, but that was pretty scary. The day was decent. I basically had one task all day, just cutting some stuff, and there was a ton of them, so I just did that all freaking day. And I really don't mind doing stuff all day because I could just put some earbuds in and just jam out, and then just, you know, I know what I'm doing. But I don't know. Day 24, rain.